crazy. I ain't even do nothing to the bike yet. Alrighty, guys. Good old E85. Let me see where my keys at. You know, with these you get to unlock and lock out your discrepancy. You dig? Let's get our flex fuel up in here. Yeah, see that. Let's get this sucker going, get it filled back up, and get on the road. See what we can get into today. E85 then went up. Alrighty, dang near took up that whole 20, but good. Let's see if we can get in the picnic, because I came a minute ago and they wouldn't let me in because I had my car. I had got up a little bit early, but I had a lot to edit today. So we'll have to see if they messing with us or not. Let's see what we got. Yep, gotta go. Yes, sir. She feeling like a beast, that's for sure. Go in or no? That's correct. They got the old man bike. Yeah, I see.
I'm tryna hit to Mariana. She like, boy, you ain't getting nada. Till you put that cuss on me, your honor. Till you put that cuss on me, your honor. Till you put that cuss on me, your honor. Till you put that cuss on me, your honor. Till you put that cuss on me, your honor. I just need a bad bitch to roll with. Her headline, that shit past her shoulders. She curious to see what I'm holding. Yeah, I got a bag on my blood. Two bags, blue that. Wanna take me down, right?
Oh, got the fully up. man.
Close the garage all the way down, right?
Huh?
The garage, they closed all the way down?
Hell yeah.
All right, go back, go what's the bag?
Real street nigga, foreign wheel swerving nigga. Left pocket full of pink fitted. Right pocket got blues in it. Send them packs to me. I know what to do with it. $1,000 shoe. I'm walking on a damn house. He ain't running up a bag. Running damn mouth. Stepping on they throat. I'm Mr. Ride I'm Mr. Ain't Going. I'm Mr. Perfect. Right pocket got blues in it. Send them packs to me. I know what to do with it. $1,000 shoe. I'm walking on a damn house. You ain't running up a bag. He running it down mouth. I'm Mr. Swinger Dope. Mr. Beat the Road. 2,000 on a coat. Stepping on they throat. I'm Mr. Ride Foreign. I'm Mr. Ain't Going. He Mr. Pump Favor. I'm Mr. Pot Scraper. The way I'm driving, I just might wreck or something. Why would I chase a beach? I can go chase a check or something. You ain't talk about no money. Nigga, burn up, nigga. Fucking with it, yeah, I got me turned up, nigga. Nigga too slippery, walk in the club and make a mess. They thought a nigga was sweating, all this water on my chest. Yeah, I'm on M, nigga, I ain't settling for less. I ain't DJ Khaled, baby, but you know we the best. Nigga, I ain't fucking on. I done seen 100 fall, flip phone, trap doing somersaults. Nigga, I ain't fucking on. I done seen 100 fall, flip phone.
That's crazy. I ain't even do nothing to the bike yet. What the fuck? Shit don't make no fucking sense. Oh my god. It's not one thing, it's another. If it's not one thing, it's another. So it's not engaging. So
no fucking boss, you know you a worker, nigga. I'm a
a fucking splurger, nigga. I'm a dope server, nigga. Real street, nigga. Foreign whip swerver, nigga. Left pocket full of pink 50s, right pocket got blues in it. Lord send them packs to me, I know what to do with it.
Yeah, it's in second gear and it's not even moving right now. It's in second gear and it ain't even moving, bro.